Hey guys, it's Wes Gaddis from wesgaddis.com. What I want to share with you today is a simple strategy I used earlier to win 6 out of 8 trades and increase my investment account by $62 in a day. Went from 400 to 462. So imagine your banking is not going to give you that for sure. Okay, so what I've got set up here, this is the exact pair time frame and the setup that I used earlier. I traded the euro against the Japanese yen. I have the chart set on 1 minute. But as you'll see here, there's tons of minutes and stuff. I first started out at 5, and then I just, as you can see here, this is a good example, and then I'll drill down more. But on the 5, the red drops below the Bollinger lines. The red up here and the blue are the Bollinger lines. So I saw that happening. Went down to the 3, and basically what it does is it zooms in a little more so you can see the individual activity. I wanted to get more of a precise entry and exit. And this is a simple strategy for trading on reversals. The blue line is the support line, or like the floor. The red line is the resistance, or like the roof. It's like you bounce a super ball. Your kids have a super ball. They bounce it off the floor. What's it do? It goes up, hits the roof, bounces back down to the floor. Well, that's what I did today. I waited, patiently waited, until the ball bounced up to the roof, started bouncing down. I entered to the trade, and 3 minutes later I was in profit. Then I simply waited for the ball to bounce down to the floor again, enter another trade, and waited for it to, for 3 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, I did a buy. So it was above the purchase price. So I cleared that one. And then I saw it was, of course, falling back to the floor. So I got in here. This is a 1 minute candle. I set my trade time for 3 minutes. So 1, 2, 3. I cleared that one. I didn't jump right back in saying, ooh, yeah, still going. Nope, I waited. Patiently waited for the reversal, and got back in. 1, 2, I got out here, 3. Entry for a buy. Your sell price has to be higher. Buy low, sell high. Sell high, buy low. Kind of confusing, but if you expect the price to go up, you buy. If you expect the price to go down, you sell. So I was just able to bounce it off the floor a few times. But another way to increase the odds of getting a successful trade is by using I'm going to remove this one here. The stochastic as well. So you have the confirmation of it bouncing off the top Bollinger line, Also, on the stochastic, when it goes above this purple box here, it is overbought. So when it crosses back down across the top line, boom, you enter. Same thing down here. Oversold, goes up, oversold, oversold, here, overbought. This is on the 1 minute. So you set your trades for 3 minutes. That is one of the simplest methods for trading Forex. There are a lot of others, because you will not always see this setup every day. There are tons and tons of different strategies and chart setups and indicators you can use to pinpoint your best profitable trade. So reach out to me. If this is on YouTube, click the link down below. If this is on Facebook, send me a PM or comment below, and I will share with you some other great training. So remember, each one of these candles was only 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's only 11 minutes. Get it in the trade. Trade here. 1, 2, 3. You're out. And you just patiently wait for it to set back up. So in the time period, let's see. Let me change that. So that was 1 o'clock this afternoon. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in the matter of 1 hour. 8 trades. They last 3 minutes each. I was trading $20. Started out with $20 trading, and it was at 70%. So I got my $20 back plus an additional 14. Some people who have accounts at up to 10,000, when they're trading 5% of their account, they're trading $500. 500 at 70% is $350. So they would have earned $350, basically a little over $100 per minute. You can't make that anywhere else, guys. So reach out to me, PM, comment, click the link below in the description for this YouTube. God bless. Have a great day.